Hello, I am Briana Reyes and I am a construction student. But being a top 25 student, what that means to me is it means that I've put forth effort, I've put forth hard work, sleepless nights and stuff like that to kind of get to where I am, not just for myself but also for my teacher, which was my biggest goal in this whole thing, was to kind of award my teacher this, I guess, star teacher honor because of how much he's done for me. So for my star teacher, I picked Douglas Wirch, who is the construction technology teacher over at the CT building. I've had him since 8th grade. And I chose him because he has impacted my life in more ways than one. He's helped me discover what I want to do with my career, how I'm going to achieve that, and he's always just been so supportive. And despite our apparent differences and stuff like that, he has been incredibly supportive and encouraging, and he has given me a lot of advice. He's been an ear to listen, a friend, and overall a fantastic teacher. Outside of my star teacher, I would definitely say my father has made a big impact in my life. He is an incredibly hard worker and he has his expectations for me, but I think because of those expectations I've been able to, I guess, kind of end up where I am now. He puts his faith in me in regards to keeping up with my grades, keeping up with life and all that stuff, and because of that freedom, but also because of those just expectations and stuff like that, I think it's really helped a lot, and I sincerely love my father. I think I've grown from freshman year since definitely matured, for sure. I have definitely matured, but I've also, I think, I've become more confident in myself in regards to where I plan on going, how I'm going to get there, and just overall how and confidence is just in myself and also the people around me. I procrastinate everything. I definitely there's been lazy nights, days where I should have been doing work and overall haven't, and so I think just trying to work through that, trying to actually, push past that laziness, that procrastination to get what I need done and get to where I need to be, has definitely just kind of been, I guess, the staple of my, high school career. After graduation, I plan on going to college. I've plan on going to the University of North Texas at Denton, and honestly, I'm just kind of excited for definitely new faces. So many people here I can recognize by their faces. So I think definitely, because I am a people person, so I just think meeting new faces of people who I don't know, I have no idea about and stuff like that is kind of what I'm excited for. I think if I was to give any advice to any underclassmen, I would definitely say, don't stress about it. Honestly, stress has been a staple of my high school career, and I would definitely say that maybe I should have taken things a little less seriously, been a little more fun and whimsy and stuff like that. So my biggest thing is, don't stress yourself out. Yes, push yourself hard, but don't break yourself, essentially. Yes, your grades are important. Yes, you can make your parents proud, but at the same time, make yourself proud, make yourself happy, because in the end, that's kind of what you're going to live with.